up?
I am, yeah, and everyone can keep going, and they'll probably put you in position, and then I'll probably come closer.
I like that. I'm excited to see you. It's really, really pretty up here.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Stay here with me. We are here on this magnificent, beautiful day to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. All of you are the threads who have woven this tapestry of their lives. Each one of you is an important piece in the story it tells. It is the fabric that they wrap themselves and take comfort in when the world seems cold.
Stephen Austin Rogers. In all of time and space and humanity, we met each other. What a miracle. Each passing day, week, month, and year, I have grown to love you more and more. You're kind, passionate, determined, genuine, and humble. Your qualities inspire me to be better than the person I was yesterday, especially because you believe in me more than I believe in myself. You see me in my heart, past my flaws, imperfections, and downfalls. Such a priceless gift. Plus, you dance with me, not because you love dancing, but because you know it makes me happy. As we begin our life together in front of those whom we love most, I want to first acknowledge that as much as this is our happily ever after, it's also where our marriage begins. Austin, I vow to be your best friend and biggest supporter. I vow to never take you for granted. To be your steady rock, I vow to prioritize our relationship and put us first. I vow to honor our commitment and stand by you through the happy moments, the hard ones, and everything in between. It's been a long time coming. It's been, again, 2,877 days since we've met, if we're counting. I'm so happy and grateful to finally become your wife and give you all of me, my heart, forever. I love you.
Oh my God. Look
You
at
look
you.
so handsome.
I'm so excited to marry you.
Me too.
Wow. We look good. Let's go. God, I freaking missed you too.
I know. I'm like, I was
Look,
so
I missed
ready
you.
to see you.
I know. Jenn, I could have never seen coming the journey we've made together and the love we've created so far in this life. We've encouraged each other in our dreams, and we've supported each other in our many challenges. And I promise that as our marriage begins, we will continue to grow together and as individuals. I vow to always show you grace and kindness when love feels difficult, when relationships are tested and patience runs thin. My commitment and love will remain. I promise to encourage you to dream big, and I will always look forward to constructing those dreams alongside you. I vow to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. Like two of our favorite love songs say, when the bones are good, the rest don't matter. Jenn, this is our time. I can promise you that. I love you. You're mine. Okay, bye everybody. We're married. We did it. We did it.
You're my
Wow.
husband.